Hi, this is Michael, and this is a follow-up to my original review of the Mercer Culinary Millennia 10-inch wide wavy edge bread knife. This is the exact knife that I bought. I bought it about a year and a half ago, and it is still super sharp. Not quite as sharp, however, as when it was brand new. The reason is because it has cut through dozens and dozens of loaves of very crusty sourdough bread. So I have no complaints. It has performed flawlessly. It's not quite as sharp as it was brand new, but when eventually it gets to the point where I just don't think it's safe to use anymore because it's too dull, I'll simply buy another one. Now, I actually did buy a second knife, but not because this one was too dull. I just wanted two of them. One thing I will caution you, though, if you like your knives to look brand new all the time, do not use accidentally a Scotch Guard or a Scotch Brite sponge or whatever they call them. They're the ones that have the very hard, thing for getting greasy pans clean. Well, I put a lot of scratches. They're only superficial. They didn't affect the sharpness of the blade, but you just want to be careful. Use a regular sponge or cloth when you wash your knives, and whatever you do, do not put your knives in the dishwasher. That is just too harsh, and it will dull your knives prematurely. However, what I do recommend is getting a knife guard, and someone actually asked me to review this as well, so here's a little add-on review to my update of the knife. This is the Mercer Culinary knife guard, and I suppose you could get any brand, but this just was convenient to get with the Mercer knife when I ordered it. This is 10 inches by 2 inches, and it just has an angled cut here to match up with the blade handle edge there. So, I mean, it's really easy to use this. You just put the heel of the knife in like this, and then you just slide it on. It's safe. I mean, I guess if you're a total klutz, you could probably cut yourself, but I mean, if you just do it like this, get the heel of the knife in there, and then just rotate it in, and there you're good to go. It's very snug. It's not going to accidentally just slip right off the knife. And if you have a very busy knife drawer like I do here, you've got to have knife guards on, because otherwise your fine edges on your knives are going to get hitting other knives, and it's just going to make everything dull and terrible, plus not to mention not too safe. So there you go. That is the Mercer Culinary Knife Guard along with the bread knife. I love them. They're very good values, and I think it's one of the best bread knives you can get for the money. Also, down in the description below the video, I will put links to the knife guard and the knife. And yeah, thanks for watching. Any questions, leave them below, and I'll get to them. Have a great day.